it's Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a Thin Mint Frappuccino. The ingredients we'll need is 5 Thin Mint cookies, 1 cup of milk, dark chocolate sauce, 1 cup of cold coffee, some coffee syrup, 1 cup of ice, whipped cream for garnish, and 1 pack of sugar. So I'll put in the wet ingredients. So you'll put in 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cold coffee, some coffee syrup, some dark chocolate syrup, like about 1 teaspoon, 1 cup of ice, 5 Thin Mint cookies, and a sugar packet. I'll be right back after I blend this. You can use the smoothie setting or the pulse setting to blend this. I'll be right back after I blend it. So you'll have a thick Thin Mint Frappuccino. Before you put it in the cup, I like to drizzle some dark chocolate around the cup. So you just drizzle some dark chocolate around the cup, like this. And then you carefully pour in the mixture. It's kind of a little messy, so I like to pour it in slowly, like you can see. It's very, very liquefied too. I'm gonna leave room for the whip. Just a little bit off there, and then you add some whipped cream. And then some more chocolate sauce as you pleasure. And then the best part is some more of the Thin Mint cookie for garnishing the Frappuccino. Look how pretty that is. And you just take your straw and put it in the middle of the cup, and then you taste it. That's so good. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell button for you can be notified for my upcoming videos. I hope everyone have a good day and stay positive. Bye.